Hi, my name is Emma Leatherman, and today we're going to be doing the thumb spike application. We're going to be starting from here, going around the thumb, then around the wrist, around the inner thumb, here. We're going to be doing that 3 times. So from here, on the wrist, here, it's 2. And then that's 3 times. And then we're going to be doing the opposite, which is here, going around the thumb, around the wrist, and cut it right there. Oh wait, sorry. Going through here, and then cutting it right here. And then doing that 3 times as well. So from here, around the wrist, through here, ending it here, and going one more time here, here, around through here, and ending it here. And this is your thumb application.